Hello beautiful Gluebookers. This is the final flip through of my rainbow color Gluebook. If you caught parts 1 and 2, you saw me build these colorful collage pages step by step. Now the whole book is filled with bright fun spreads from pink through purple and all the colors in between, and I'm so excited to show you all the finished pages. I am Deborah. Welcome back to the collage table. This was a quick preview. Now let's get into it and let's flip through the finished rainbow color Gluebook together. So these are just a few larger rainbow color clippings that I haven't used, but I keep them because I might do a second color Gluebook. I had so much fun working on this one and I'm kinda sad it is done already. Live and dream in color. I want to do more of that. So these first couple of spreads in this book are like the introduction, and they're all multicolor, all colors of the rainbow spread. And it was very fun collecting all these bright colorful clippings. These here on the right are very old Dutch postage stamps in all the different colors. I got them from my son's stamp collection. Don't tell me these are worth $1 gazillion until I glued them in. Or do, because he has more of these. So this is the final multicolor spread before we move on to the monochrome rainbow. And flipping through these pages feels like a mood boost, like color therapy in book form. Here, my rainbow starts with pink, because of course it does. This glue book showed me how much I enjoyed making these type of spreads and how much pink clippings I actually have in my stash. So much that I just started a glue book that is entirely pink. Then comes red, the color of love. There's something really satisfying about focusing on just one color at a time, finding all these random images and combining them in one wonderful spread. I love it. Moving on to a burst of orange. Orange is one of those colors I forget I like until I started gluing. It's such a happy color, warm and cheerful, like Gluebook sunshine. And talking about sunshine, yellow. You can't be in a bad mood when you're working with yellow, so an entire spread filled with yellow is just perfect. Green will always be one of my favorites. It's calming but never boring, and green is my married name, so I'm proud to represent green in daily life as well as in my glue books. Blue is such a mood. There's something peaceful about building a whole spread out of just shades of blue. And the images I found for this spread felt just right. The blue superhero lady might be my favorite image in the entire book. Purple feels a little magical to me, but it was the color where I found the least amount of images for. But it did make it more satisfying when I did find something that fit. We aren't done yet going through the rainbow again. The pink spread turned out softer than the first one, a bit more dreamy, with a flip open card in the middle, all pretty in pinks. So much fun. I can't wait to continue in my all pink book. And red round 2 turned out more playful with so many red scraps. The obvious strawberries, but there's also a no turn sign, heavy luggage tag and pasta sauce. They totally work together when they're all red. Little red gift tag. Oops, I forgot to add something red inside. Let's just pretend we didn't see that and move on to the next. So I thought I was running low on orange images, but then I found all these pieces. The vintage fashion image on the left and the stamps, the old Kool-Aid ad, the bottle and the coat. Orange ended up being way more fun than I expected. The second yellow page feels like summer on a spread. I would have liked to add more to layer some extra images here and there, but this is what I ended up with and I'm happy with how it all came out. So, see beauty in every place. Yes, let's see beauty in every spread. Okay, moving on. Here's another green favorite. There's a big juicy lime, a deer hiding in plain sight, and a flip postcard showing an above and underwater scene. There's more greens on the back side. There's lettuce and sunglasses and this lovely dress called Green Goddess. This blue spread has a lot going on in the best way. There's a mix of vintage images and modern architecture, and somehow it all holds together. Turns out magazines have a lot of blue if you start looking. There was way more to work with than I expected. Purple is a beautiful color, but again, it made me work for it. Filling this spread was a fun challenge, and finishing it felt like a small victory. I had to dig a little deeper into my stash, but sometimes that's where the good stuff is hiding. So yay for me for finishing this spread. This final spread is a colorful thank you to my Gluebook for putting up with me. It turns out mixing colors isn't the end of the world, it's just the end of this book. Check out the flip through playlist if you want to see more completed Gluebooks. And for now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Till next time, bye!